Hi there, Johnny from Johnny and Jane, and I'm going to show you how to take a PDF resource and print only the pages needed for your students. Today we will be looking at some of the ways to work with PDF files. Once you open up your file, you will immediately see our thank you page or title page. The next couple of pages will contain some tips and product information to help make the most of your new resource. If your product includes a digital version, you may find a digital resource page like this one. It will contain a link to your digital file. If the digital resource page is not here, it will be a separate file in your download. Take a few minutes to read the instructions. To make things easier, I tend to use the thumbnail page viewer on the left side. If you don't have it open, you'll see a little triangle. You can click it to open up the menu and then click on the stacked sheets. This will give you access to your thumbnails, and from here you can enlarge or reduce the size. Once you're comfortable with the size, you'll have quick access to all your pages by scrolling up and down. With this file, you'll see the title page, the thank you page, some further instructions and tips. We have our teacher and student rubrics, some informational pages that will guide you on how to use the following pages, and then the product pages themselves. In this case, the research pennants and the presidential pennants. We have both the color and the black and white versions. The most common way to use our PDF resources is to print the pages you want to give to your students. In this example, I will be printing out the pennant cover page and an extended reading page. There are many ways to do this, but the easiest way I find is to individually select all the files I want to print. And I do that by holding down the Control key and left mouse button and clicking on each page, or the Command key and left mouse button on the Mac. I will be selecting the cover page, an extended writing page, and the president. In this case, I'll do a color version and I'll send George Washington. Once I've selected all the pages I need to print, I'll go to File, Print. Now you'll have your print dialog box up, and let's go over some of these settings to make sure we have them right. First of all, make sure you have the number of copies you need of each of the pages. In my example, I have 20 students, so I'll make 20 copies. Next, I'll make sure the Pages Radio button is selected. This will make sure we print the pages we previously selected. Next, down here under Page Sizing and Handling, we want to make sure we hit the Fit button. Finally, if you want to print in grayscale, go ahead and select this button on top. Sometimes, even though we have color images, we want to save on color ink, and as you can see, it'll just convert it to grayscale. Be aware that these are not the same as the outline versions of the files included. The outline versions have no gray coloring inside. They're just strictly for coloring by the student or leaving blank. Once you are done, you can go ahead and just click print. Alright, that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it or learned something new, please leave us a like.